afternoon, students. It is mathematics video 36, exercise 7.3, question number 4. So, find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order. Taken in order means that one is written in serial form. That means serially written. A point, B point, C point, D point. So, this one is the quadrilateral. So, you have to find out area of this quadrilateral. So, A coordinate given -4, -2, which is written here. B coordinate -3, -5. This one. Then C coordinate 3, -2. This one is the C coordinate and this one is the D coordinate, which is 2, 3. So, first of all, we have to write about the introduction of the diagram. Written 4 vertices of the quadrilateral are A coordinate, B coordinate, C coordinate and D coordinate. All these things are we have written. Then to find area of triangle, area of quadrilateral, not triangle, area of quadrilateral ABCD. Then we have to use area of triangle formula. So we have to join AC diagonal. If you join AC diagonal, then this diagonal will divide the quadrilateral into 2 triangles. One triangle is ABC, another triangle is ADC. So separately we have to find area of triangle ABC and separately we have to find area of triangle ADC, which has already found in first place. You see area of triangle ABC half, then area of triangle formula, then here A coordinate is x1 y1, B coordinate x2 y2, C coordinate x3 y3, and that way just you have to put the value in the formula, and by the calculation part already you know, I have shown. And this side there is given modulus. Modulus, that means it is used for absolute value. That means final answer is what here? Here half mod 21. Half mod 21. Then mod of 21. 21 is positive. So modulus of positive written as positive number. So 21. So 1 by 20, 20 of the 21 by 2 is square units. That is the area of ABC triangle. Then next phase, area of triangle ADC, same formula. A coordinate just you have to think as x1 y1, B coordinate x2 y2, C coordinate x3 y3. That way you have to declare. Then from that coordinate you put the value in this formula. Then calculation part, just already you know, just to do the calculation. Then finally you are getting here this point, you see by the calculation getting -35. So modulus of -35 written as positive. Modulus of negative number written as positive number. So how getting -35 means -35. Here this one is bracket. This one is bracket. This one is not modulus. Okay. That means when you remove modulus, then and then -35. It should be now -35. Minus and minus plus 35 by 2. 35 by 2. Getting area of triangle ADC. Our target is what? We have to find area of quadrilateral ABCD. So finally area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. And these two area we have to write from this part. This one is the area of triangle ABC and this one is the area of triangle ADC. That one just you put. And from these two parts we have taken half common, then here left 21 plus 35. Then finally 35 plus 21 equal to 56 by 2. Cut put, you will get 28 square unit. That one will be the area of quadrilateral ABCD. That's it.